I hope you guys are all well and hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me on my second vlog, and so much for the love and support that you've shown on the previous vlog and just throughout my journey. Just hope that I can continue to show you new recipes and anything that you wish to see. Basically, if there is anything in particular, do let me know in the comment below. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do press that red button. So yeah, I will just cut it short and show you my day. So to begin the day, it's Saturday time and it's 2:45 AM. So I'm just making burrata for the mister. I've added homemade desi ghee. The link for that will be in the description below, or you can just check it out on my channel. And yeah, just rolling it up, adding plenty of flour, and yeah. So I add the ghee onto the pan and on goes my paratha. I love a thin paratha and that looks perfect, alhamdulillah. And it's having the paratha with achar.
हाँ जी, आज शहरी में क्या मिलेगा?
Paratha, paratha roll.
वो पराठा, वाह जी वाह, और साथ
achar और yogurt.
वाह जी वाह, क्या बात है. My favorite yogurt and चीनी डाली?
Yeah.
दही में चीनी डाली?
Oh, sorry. Thought you were thinking about me for the first time, but no.
No, everybody thinks
it's all about
himself.
him. It's all about him.
Oh, it's yeah. Everyone thinks about himself.
Every man for himself. We're in a cup of tea, toast and a bit of fruit chat. So cleaning is a must at this time, because in the morning when the kids wake up, then I'm not having to concentrate on cleaning. I can just concentrate on the breakfast and that kind of thing, really. Oh goodness guys, you won't believe what happened today. So basically I got up at 9:15 today and my head is literally all over the place. I'm out of routine. I feel like the day is already gone. It's so annoying. So I've made the kiddies breakfast and also snack all in one go due to the time. So Monday mornings I usually watching Lose My Skin on YouTube with the phonics. That's really helpful. So after watching the phonics sessions, they didn't really want to write today, not at the moment. So what I decided to do instead to keep them busy is made some corn flour with water and so they can just play around with this. So yeah, I added about 1.5 cup of corn flour and a bit of water until you get this consistency. So my eldest one wants sweet rice, Rice-Zarda, so I'm going to make that now. We're going to soak these for about 1 hour, should be fine then. Just adding a bit of lemon to water, and that will help the rice not to break, inshallah. So I've added 2 green cardamoms and a 1/4 teaspoon of food colouring. You can add as much food colouring as you like. I just like mine a bit lighter, so I've added less food colouring. So the water came to a slight boil and I'm adding the rice now. So just clean the bowl so that no rice is left. And then you are going to basically let the rice cook until it is about 90% done. So do check occasionally. So I used this measuring cup. This is 1 cup measuring cup, and I used 2 cups of this for the rice. So I'm just checking if the rice is done, and yes it is. So I'm just going to drain this now and then do the next stage. So I've drained the rice and alhamdulillah looking good. So in a separate pan add 1/2 cup of ghee. So at this stage you can add nuts, raisins, whatever you like, and then I'm adding 1.5 cup of sugar. Just mix that really well. So I've added a 1/4 cup of milk, and that'll just help the sugar and the ghee to mix really well. So at this stage, the mixture should be not too thin and not too thick, so more of a gluey type of texture. So now adding the rice, and keep the heat on high. Then we're going to mix this well. So when the sugar and the ghee has reduced, cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. And there you go, all done, ready to enjoy. And of course my son wanted it straight away. These guys are just going to have their lunch now. What do you say, guys? So I'm making samosa chaat. I've added water in a pan with some salt and 2 chickpea tins. When it comes to a boil, heat off and drain the water. So here's a packet of tamarind, and I just took a stick of tamarind and put that in 1/2 cup of water. So you just let it sit for like about 30 minutes or so, and you will see as shown. So what you'll notice is there are seeds in there, and you can remove the seeds. We just need the liquid part. So I will show you next what to do. That's 1/2 cup of tamarind paste there, and the chickpeas are boiled, so I'm just going to drain them now. Now in a pan, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And 2 small onions, chopped finely. And we're only cooking until they are translucent. Now I'm adding the tamarind paste and just going to give that a mix. So I'm adding the chickpeas now, and then I'm going to add a 1/2 packet of chaat masala. I use Shan packet, you can use any. And then also 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes or as desired, and salt to taste. Just for colour and aroma, I added fresh coriander. It's really simple to make. Once the water is all reduced and it looks like this, then it's all done. So it's that time, and the kiddies are up to no good. What are you lot doing?
He got rid.
So the corn flour that we did earlier, they were wanting to put in a bowl instead because it's being silly now, aren't they? But hey ho.
I'm just fucking sorry.
So what time is bedtime?
6, 7.
7.
6, 7, 8.
You want to go at 6? You can do. The boys are nearly going to go to bed. It's 6:30 now, so I'm going to give them, feed them, and then give them a bath. Then off they are to bed, inshallah. My homemade samosa to defrost. And of course, for samosa chaat, we definitely need chutney. So let's plate this up. So firstly, the samosa goes on the plate. So make holes in the samosa, and then we're going to add the chaat that we just made. Now the yogurt, if the yogurt is thick, you can add water to the yogurt and just make it more thin. And finally, the chutney that we just made. To finish off beautifully, I'm adding the chaat masala, and the samosa chaat is ready. Alhamdulillah, it's looking really, really good. So, Mister, कैसा है?
कमाल की चाट बनाई है भाई. Samosa chaat, very nice. So the description, the recipe for the samosa will be in the description below. and do make it, try it, let us know. Please do comment if you want us to try any different recipes or any improvements in our videos. Please do also subscribe and share with your family and friends. Look after yourself, your neighbors, family, and until next time, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you so much for watching the vlog, guys. I hope you've had a great day, and inshallah I will see you next time.